Today I will be reviewing the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill. Let's get started. The grill comes with two removable cooking plates, top and bottom. The top plate has a hole in the middle where the temperature probe will go through. The bottom has numbers on the bottom, and there are also indents where the brats will go on. You could cook up to 1 to 5 brats at a time. Both the cooking plates are dishwasher safe. You also get a drip tray, which is also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup super easy. To install the top plate, find the hinges with the holes facing up. Match the inserts to the holes, gently drop in, make sure the temperature probe is sticking out, then push back to snap the plate in. For the bottom plate, you can see that the holes are already facing out. Slide the inserts in, gently press down to snap in. Now it's time to grab your favorite Johnsonville brats. Here I have hot Italian sausage. When you're ready to begin, place the brats on the grill. To lock in the grill, press in on the red latch and you'll hear a snap sound. Don't forget to place the drip tray under the grill. Finally, push the power button on to start. You can sit and wait for the brats to cook, but I prefer to do some chores around the house, like take the garbage out, throw the clothes into the dryer, or do a quick workout. So far, I am loving this grill. It's easy to put together. You have these non-stick cooking plates that grill the brats to perfection. The temperature probes make sure that the brats come out to a beautiful golden brown color. It takes 15 minutes or less to cook, and the brats taste delicious. With this grill, I can use it all year round. I do live in the Midwest, so it's so nice to grill brats indoors, especially when it's snowing out. I use this grill more than I use my stove. I'm also a busy mother of twin toddlers, so this grill helps out a lot. Once the brats are done, you'll hear a couple of beeps. Be careful when you open up the grill. You can still hear that sizzling sound. I do let the brats cool down a little bit before I remove them. To take the cooking plates out, move the drip tray to the side. There are 2 side buttons that will eject each plate. Just push on them and watch the plates pop out. Finally, I'm ready to eat. This is so good, guys. Enjoy.